Bumps and benefits, tips and tricks for QuickBooks Online. First, I'd like to start with a quick shout out to Maria Resuta of Real Resuta Productions for creating this awesome YouTube site I have and all the great graphics and all the other great graphics you'll see here. You've seen in my other videos and all throughout my website, business cards, and everything she makes to really put a whole new face on my business and to really say who I am. And I'd like to start now giving some tips and tricks. After you set up QuickBooks, these are for new accounts, new users, and the tips and tricks are good for anybody too. I am in a sample company. It's Craig's, and this time it's Craig's Real Estate and Rentals, a sample, so there's nothing in here that's confidential. And I'm going to take a look now. If you look here, gear shifts are the easiest ways to go to do a lot of edits, and also you're going to look for anytime that you see a pencil. So pencils and gear shifts. And right now, here's a really great tip, and it's a trick as well. You can take this menu and you can customize it. When you first come in to the QuickBooks, you see a whole bunch of menus. If you're just starting out as a small business, if you have rentals, you're a contractor, no employees, you're going to see extra menus that you really don't need at this point. Maybe you'll need them in the future, so you can easily bring them back. But if we come right in here to the customize, we can take information like payroll, time, budgets, and take them off that list so you can just come in and see the really important ones, your dashboards, transactions, sales, expenses. Everybody needs customers, and the reports, and the taxes, and my accountant. We save that, and then we have a much simpler menu to look at. Next, I'd like to take a look at the dashboard. You'll see right here, shortcuts, and right here's a pencil. If we go in, there's more shortcuts that we can add. You can look for some very important ones, like adding a customer, adding products and services, create a statement, create bills and pay bills, and this again is just quicker ways to get to invoicing. Once you go inside of an invoice, you can pick a customer or you can add a customer. So this will be the end of our episode today. Again, just a review. If you want to make your menu a little shorter, you can come in here to the menu setting and hit customize. Again, you'll see a pencil. And if you want to add some more shortcuts, come into this pencil and you can add or remove anything that you'd like to see a quick icon to, just to get you started and jump right into whatever you feel is really important. Okay, thank you, and hope you've enjoyed our QuickBooks bumps and benefits, tips and tricks for QuickBooks Online. Thank you.